Okay, so I've got an interesting one for you today. I think this is an Olympia SM9 with the extra extended carriage. But I am a little confused because the SM8 has the turquoise or green ends, but it doesn't have a key set tabular. So I'm a little confused, and these are green and not turquoise. So I'll be honest, I've looked and I didn't spend a ton of time, but from what I can tell, it's it's either an 8 or a 9. I would say 9 only because of the key sets for the tabs are right here. But it could be something different because of the carriage. So sorry, I am not more specific on that. We've never had one this size, and it doesn't seem to fit the description of some of the other models. But like I said, I didn't do a ton of research on that. But if you want to do your own research on this, Typewriter database is just one place to start. So I'll tell you, look like that. This has the body style of the SM8 and 9, but it's green, not turquoise. So that's throwing me off, that and the turquoise with the clear, you know, whatever. And the carriage. So I haven't seen anything like this, so it's really fun to check this out. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So as you know, if you're familiar with Olympia's right here, paper holder and margins right here. Oh, I love them because they slide so nice. Olympia is just so well known for having non-sticky pieces. I just love that. Okay. Carriage release right here. Let's see if the carriage is locked. Nope. Okay. The bell sounds good. And some may think, why do you have a large carriage? Well, if you had a larger paper, it just could take that. So you could use landscape, you know, maybe if you were using 11 by 14 paper, it would fit on that. And that's just the only reason for that. Carriage lock is right here. So you can just lock that and there you go. You just kind of have to jiggle it into place. So now it's locked. For transport or you're not using it, just unlock it. And there you go. Let's go ahead and I will pop open the top for you. This is on hinges, I believe. Yep. Okay. Nice. And we've put in a brand new ribbon for you. Now they've got spring-loaded arms on each side. They're just kind of awkward to get to. There on that side. This is in the way, but there's your spring-loaded arms that are holding them in, and you just pop them up, put a new one in, and then make sure it's threaded properly before you start using it. Now, you have to manually reverse the ribbon on this typewriter, or because with these ribbons. So when you get to the end of the spool, it's not the end of your ink, just reverse it, and it doesn't matter which side, just push, okay? And reverse the direction many times before you need to replace that ribbon. Now also make sure black is on top and red is on bottom. There's an up-close photo of this in the product listing link below so that you can see how that ribbon is supposed to be threaded into your typewriter. Okay, let's go ahead and close this and do some typing. All right, I'm gonna bring my margins in. This is a huge carriage. And set that there, bring it through. And I got it perfect. So, but if it was uneven, there's your paper release so you can adjust it. And now let's go ahead and, line selector right here. This determines if you advance 1, 2, or 3 lines, okay? Now I noticed this carriage was bent down, and so it might bend down when you're in, when it's in transport. So make sure it's up. Also, this does have, look at the photos if you're interested in this, look at the photos online. It does have a scratch here and a tiny one right here. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So no, number 1, use the lowercase l. This is a 1968 making a mistake already. I'm going to say 9, but I'm going to put that 9 is a little sticky. Question mark. We'll work on that 9 so it's not sticky for you. Okay. Actually, this feels really good. Oh, there, the 9 didn't stick. Maybe I was hitting it too hard. So sometimes typewriters like, well, now it was sticking there again. We're going to still work on that. Typewriters have a different, are sensitive to the pressure and that you put on the keys. And so sometimes you have to adjust to it to figure out what it likes the most. And I just skipped the whole line. We'll go back and do it. Hold on. So, wow, the font on this is so nice. Really clear. It's a smaller font. It looks like it's a 12 CPI, but it might even be smaller than that. I'll measure that and put it in the description. It might even be a 13. Okay, what am I doing? Can't talk and type at the same time. I just don't have the right fingers today. It likes quick fingers, light and quick fingers, I'm learning. I'm very heavy-handed, and that gets me in trouble sometimes. Ah! Okay, let's keep going. I'm not redoing this video because you guys, if you've watched many of my videos, you know I keep a lot of my mistakes in. Twist a night before Christmas and oh, there's the bell. I'm gonna keep going now. Okay, margin release is right here. I can't see. There we go. House. Not this backspace. Not even a mouse. Very nice. Let's go back to black. Very nice. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it's a very smooth, but this seems to be a bit particular. Margin release. In that it likes slow and steady and light hand. Okay, I hope that makes sense to you. Look how dark that font is. Amazing, looks wonderful. So I did have some issues typing with this because I'm just all over myself today. But that's because I was trying to go faster than it liked, and I was a heavy hander. So it likes slow and steady, and it likes a lighter hand, not so heavy on it. So nice typewriter. Somebody is really going to enjoy this. Crafters, you would enjoy this because it gives you a little more flexibility in the kind of papers you can use and in terms of sizes. But it does show signs of wear on it, but its functionality is a-okay. It's doing really well. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a good day.